Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 7 edition and whether it's 32 or 64-bit so you download the correct driver. Once done, plug the Bluetooth USB dongle into a rear USB 2.0 port and wait for Windows to detect hardware. Make sure you have the driver CD or download saved to the desktop before continuing. This avoids interruptions. If Windows prompts for driver, cancel if you plan to install the vendor driver manually, because built-in drivers can be generic and unstable. You should run the vendor installer as administrator and explicitly choose the 32 or 64-bit package so files land in the right folders. After installation, open Device Manager and expand Bluetooth radios to verify the adapter appears. If it shows a warning, right-click and update driver, pointing to the folder where you saved the package. Then open Services, find Bluetooth Support Service. Set Startup to Automatic, and start the service so pairing and device discovery work. You finish by opening devices and printers and selecting Add a Device. Follow prompts and enter the PIN shown on screen or a default like 0000 when required. Once paired, test the intended function, file transfer, keyboard, or audio, and in sound settings set the Bluetooth device as default for playback if needed. If pairing or connection fails, reinstall the vendor driver, try a different USB port, disable built-in Bluetooth drivers, and reboot. This resolves most common conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.